In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 2.4 GHz network. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. On modern routers, you are able to have simultaneously a 2.4 GHz network and also a 5 GHz one. I'm going to be focusing on how to create a 2.4 GHz one, but you can use the same instructions in this video to also have a 5 GHz network if you want, although it isn't strictly needed. And even if your router doesn't give you the option to do so, you can still follow along to create the 2.4 GHz network. Without further ado, first you have to visit a website related to your router. For TP-Link routers, for example, it is going to be 192.168.0.1. So you type this on a URL or web address bar, press enter, and you will arrive at this page. Of course, if you have a different router model or manufacturer, brand, anything, then this website or this URL might differ. The ending could be, for example, 0.1.1. But of course, because every single router is different, I recommend checking the manual to make sure which website you have to access to change the settings. Once you access this page, you will usually input into the username and password inputs admin and admin in all lower caps. If admin does not work as the credentials to log in, check below your router because usually they might have custom credentials in there for the username and password. Once you are through this window and you access this page, you have to go into the wireless or WLAN options. So go into wireless or WLAN, and finally, you will be able to enable both network types here. If you only see 2.4 GHz because your router is old, that's okay. Just make sure that you enable it here, and then you can give your network a custom name and password. If you aren't aware of the best security options, just copy this one shown in the video, WPA/WPA2 personal, but you can change between all of them. Just open the drop-down list. If you want to also have a 5 GHz network, you can enable them both simultaneously like I mentioned in the beginning. Then you give your 5 GHz network a custom name as well, and remember to always save the changes. The networks will become available right away, and you can connect into them from any compatible device. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.